Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. You had to excuse the mess on my porch, but it started raining last night, so it's about as easy a place for me to work, and it just works out well. I've got to trim these off. These are the tops to my posts. I'm putting 4x4 posts, and I'm making these little tops for them, especially right there around the entranceway, just to make it look a little bit better. And probably have a little bit too much time on my hands. This is a necklace display for my flea market stuff. I'll just hang them here and they'll drape here, and it didn't cost me anything. Well, I did pay for that little piece of barnboard wood, but anyway, that'll hold a bunch of necklaces and hopefully bring people in to look at them. And these are guides for my fence I'm putting up. And I messed up on this one. Once I got to look, I said something just don't look right about it. Well, I've got to either take it off all the way or cut it off there. I'll probably just take it off all the way, then cut it off, and then I've got to have the top of it right there. And what I'll do, I'll take a clamp, like one of these, and clamp it to a post that's set in into another post, and that way that'll help me hold up the boards, and I can put the fence up by myself. And it's 4 foot. This one will be 12 inches off the ground, and I forgot the measurements for these, but this will be right up at the top. But for the plank part of the fence, I'm going to have wire on the inside, because I could have hot wire in there, but I'm going to have fence wire on the inside, because I want it to be able to either have horses or goats in there. And I'm going to try and board some horses. I got one place I'm looking at, I can make 2 pastures, and start off with that. I'll see how that goes. If not, I'll have some goats over there, and I'll have to have a secondary pasture where I can put them toward the back of the property, because people are known to stop and try and steal your goats. I was talking with this man who had some goats, and he told me he'd caught people stealing. Said they were trying to help the goats were stuck in the wire, and but one of them had jumped the fence, and he's got no trespassing signs and all that, and they'll just steal them. But I'm going to get another dog, probably a Great Pyrenees, as a livestock guardian dog, along with a donkey, keeping with him. So hopefully that'll deter any thefts or attacks by coyotes. Coyotes out here are just, I want to do a video on that one night, and especially when the train's coming by. Something about the trains, put off a sound, and it evidently hurts the ears, and they go to howling, and dogs will do it too. They're picking it up. So if I can take the livestock from that, which horses can pretty much take care of themselves. They'll kick the daylights out of them. And I've seen coyotes wandering close to the wood edge, but not coming up close to the property. And now that I've got Duke roaming around the property, that kind of helps. And of course, he stays inside with me, and need a lot of comfort to him. But that's what's going on today at the farm. It's still raining. I've got some errands to run, so I'm about to go take care of those. Thank you so much for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless you all.